Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we're going outside to Jack Sprat restaurant and bar. So they have a lovely parking lot, a large parking lot, and this is the entrance area. The view is so serene, so tranquil, so perfect. It's the best place for picnics. Well, bring your blankets and have a picnic on the grass. And it's a seafood restaurant, but they don't only sell seafood, which is good for all those persons who, like myself, don't like seafood. They have chicken. And the only downside to this restaurant is that they only sell one type of fish, which is snapper, red snapper. And these are their prices and their options. Then over to the bar section for all your juices and liquor.
The virgin mango. Me I buy the virgin mango. The milkshake over there so I for 1,000. Not 1,000. Yeah. It will be 1,200. The rest of how it's there. Just like one is just a placeholder.
So you order your food and you wait for it to be prepared. So while you're waiting, because it's a long wait, we were waiting for about an hour. While you're waiting, you can take a walk on the beach. And this is one of the best beaches I've gone to. It's perfect for toddlers and kids. It's not deep. You can walk straight out of the line. So there are tables close to the beach as well for persons who like enjoying the view while they eat. And the water is super clean.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
My 1-year-old had so much fun at this beach. She could literally walk in the water. She could sit in the water without getting any help. It's very shallow. And this is the family. Barely hungry and wait for the food, and the food now come. So we are going to chill.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night.
And the food finally arrived. I had some fries and chicken, some cookie and cream milkshake. There were festivals, fish, all different kind of juice,
I can't wait, a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
burgers for all the burger lovers. And this is us leaving. I forgot to take the sign as I was entering, so this is the sign. Thank you guys so much for watching.